Hello everyone, welcome back to Kaizen Spirit. My name is Sudeep and today we are going to talk about black and white thinking. So let's get started. So black and white thinking is the ability or the condition of human mind to see things only in two ways, or you can say at both the extreme ends in everything, like good, bad, pure, impure. We start putting everything in these two categories only, either good or bad. But we need to realize that everything lies in the middle area, in the gray area. We all know that we have good qualities as well as bad qualities. But when it comes to judging some other person, we directly put them into either of these two categories, either good or bad. There is no gray area in between. So the reason we are so addicted to this black and white thinking because our mind tries to conserve our energy and classify things and make it simple so that we do not have to think too much about something. We can directly tag them good or bad. We will stay away from the bad and move towards the good. This is what we want to do subconsciously. We are not doing this consciously. So, the problem with this type of thinking is that it takes away the realistic view that we need to have to live in this world. We start living in an unrealistic world which is created by our expectation. We call someone a good person until we find a single bad quality, and then we directly put them into the other category, that is bad. You must have heard this thousand times that we all have good qualities and bad qualities. But my question to you is, are you really applying this in your real life? Ask yourself, when was the last time you said to yourself that yes, this person has certain bad qualities, this and this, but also he or she has so many good qualities? It will be hard for you to recall such a moment. In reality, everything lies, or most of the things lies in the gray area only, not at the extreme ends of black and white. When we get disappointed by someone or something that we assume to be in the white category, but then we found out that it actually belongs to the black side, then we feel bad, we feel disappointed. But we never changed our formula. We use the same black and white formula on some other person or some other item or object or anything or some other brand. So, this is where the problem lies. We are not taking time to evaluate our life formula. We are simply changing the subject under observation. Although black and white thinking saves a lot of time and mental energy for us so that we do not have to look at the dark areas or the dark people or the dark subjects, whatever, but still it takes away the realistic view, as I have already told. So we need to be careful not to let this thinking take the realistic view away from us and we start seeing world in an unrealistic way. Let's say you are looking for a certain product and you did find a good one, and you also started liking all the other products of that brand. Now you start falling in love with that brand, and one day that brand or a product of that brand disappoints you. You immediately start looking at all the negative things or the faults that lies in the existing product of that same brand, and then you try to spread the word that this brand is not good and nobody should use them. We keep doing these things again and again, and we only do this when we find something better than that. There is a beautiful quote to describe this thinking which says, when we find something good, everything else becomes bad, and when we find something beautiful, everything else becomes ugly. Well, is it not true? Ask yourself one more question. What was the last thing or the last person you know who remained in the white category from starting till today? You will find out that no person remains in the white category forever. They do have bad qualities, but we decide to accept them with their bad qualities. And we do this for many reasons, because we do not have a choice or whatever other reason you may have. But when you have a choice to step away from someone, you immediately put them into the black category and avoid them. We all need to be conscious enough to not let this thinking take majority of our decisions in classifying people or putting them into black or white categories, because everything has its plus points and the minus points as well. People, things, and everything. Well, the easiest way to break this thinking is consciousness and mindfulness. Whenever this thinking creeps into your mind, take a 5-second break, be silent for 5 seconds, and realize the fact that the black and white thinking is creeping into your mind. And if you are not mindful in this situation, it will completely dominate your thinking, and it will be difficult for you to get out of this pattern of thinking later on. So please be careful and mindful enough when you start judging something or someone. And remember the ultimate truth, that nothing truly lies in the black or in the white end. Everything lies in the middle, in the gray area. It is only your failure of understanding and interpreting things that is forcing you to think in a way and categorize everything in black and white. So that is all for today, and I hope this video helped you in getting 1% better. If you learned something new from this video and found it valuable, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you do not miss out on the new videos which I post every week. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.